In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage multiple Metatrader 5 accounts with Pineconnector. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download the Expert Advisor from Pineconnector and place it in the correct Metatrader 5 folders so you can bridge your signals and manage more than one account from the same workflow. Let's start at the beginning. Open your Pineconnector dashboard. This is the bridge that allows your strategies or alerts to communicate directly with Metatrader 5. Once you're in, look for the section dedicated to Metatrader 5 and locate the MT5 EA download option. Click the download button under MT5 EA. You'll receive a compressed file, usually a zip, containing the Expert Advisor and its necessary components. Save it somewhere easy to find. Your desktop or a dedicated trading tools folder is perfect, so you don't waste time searching for it later. After the download completes, copy that file so you can move it into Metatrader 5's working directory. Now, head over to your Metatrader 5 terminal. If you manage multiple accounts, you might be running more than one MT5 terminal or using multiple profiles. That's perfectly fine. Just be sure you're in the specific terminal tied to the account you want to set up first. Each terminal has its own data folder, and installing the EA into the correct one keeps your setups organized and avoids conflicts. Inside Metatrader 5, go to the menu at the top left and click File. From that menu, select Open Data Folder. This is a crucial step because it opens the exact directory that MT5 uses for this terminal instance. When you're juggling several accounts, this helps ensure the files go to the right place every time. Think of it as the terminal's home base for everything from indicators to EAs. A new window will open. Double-click the MQL5 folder. This folder holds all of your platform's logic files, including experts, indicators, scripts, and more. You'll now see a list of subfolders. Open the one labeled Experts. This is where expert advisors live in Metatrader 5. If you've installed EAs before, you'll recognize this layout. If not, you're in the right spot. Paste the Pineconnector EA file you copied earlier into this experts folder. If your download came as a zip, right-click it here and extract it inside this folder. That ensures all the files are placed in the correct structure. After extraction, you can remove the zip to keep things tidy. Make sure the EA file itself ends up directly in Experts or in a clearly named subfolder within Experts so you can find it easily later. Avoid dropping it into indicators by mistake. Indicators and EAs have different purposes and won't load correctly in the wrong folder. A quick tip as you work across multiple accounts. Repeat this same installation process for each Metatrader 5 terminal linked to a different account. Always use File, then open Data folder from inside that active terminal to guarantee you're installing the EA where it belongs. This consistency makes it simple to manage several accounts side by side without mixing files or wondering why an EA isn't showing up. Once the files are in place, you're set on the file management side. If you don't immediately see the EA in your Navigator panel, keep in mind that some terminals only update the list after a refresh or a restart. That's normal behavior and helps the platform recognize newly added files. Also, maintaining a simple naming convention for your terminals or data folders can save you time if you're running many accounts, especially when you return later to adjust settings, update the EA version, or organize logs. To recap, you went to Pineconnector, downloaded the MT5 EA, copied it, opened your Metatrader 5 terminal, navigated through File to open Data folder, then into MQL5, then Experts, and finally pasted and extracted the files there. Following this exact path is the foundation for connecting Pineconnector to Metatrader 5 and keeping multiple accounts easy to manage. With the EA correctly placed, you'll be ready to streamline your workflow and keep each account configured cleanly within its own terminal.